Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal, Coach 1030. This is a beautiful 07 double slide X that is actually for sale. You see Dave Bash over there. He's doing an inspection on it. The co-host of Marathon Mondays with Mal and with Dave. It is Labor Day, everybody. Hope you're having a good one. This is a pre-recorded episode. We're filming this on Thursday. Armand and I are just hitting the floor. We have no script, as always, and we have no idea what we're doing. So let's go check it out. We are going to walk the production floor because there is...
Things haven't changed.
Yeah, exactly. So as Dave said, things haven't changed. Big thanks to Dave Bash, who is inspecting Coach 1030, a newly consigned coach. This coach, we're not going to go inside, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's a great example. This coach, as we've seen many times on the show, of why Marathon is the best luxury converter in the world. We take the best chassis and the best craftsman put together the best coach that is designed to last. Just like the chassis, the house lasts also. Incredible coach, 1030. 1331, that's a custom coach. We're walking by that right there. We're gonna just walk the production floor. I'm gonna kind of narrate what I see so that you guys can kind of get a state of the union, for the lack of a better term, on how things are at Marathon. We are selling a lot of coaches. We are building a lot of coaches. And a big thanks to everybody on the production floor here for allowing me to invade their space. 1333, that's an H3 double slide, I believe, yes. That's a designer choice, so that guy's gonna be for sale, 1333. Or as I like to call it, Lucky Larry Bird, for those of you who are paying attention. Let's look at this paint job. This is so pretty. This is gonna be the next coach available, not only for sale, but for video. And when we pull this outside, wait till you see this. This is 1328, everybody. And as you can see, the QA department, they're detailing, they're cleaning, they're inspecting. This is a blacked out coach. This is the next blacked out coach. What does that mean for those of you who haven't seen our blacked out coaches? This is a trend that is coming into production. We're seeing a lot of customers want blacked out items or items that have been painted, either painted or powder coated in black. Wheels, rub rails, and I think the grill on 1328. Let's take a look. Yes, beautiful detail on the grill of 1328. Blacked out grill with that red detail to the Marathon Coach logo. Very cool. One of the things you can see right here, a coach that we have followed throughout, 1329, custom coach. The chrome Prevost letters being placed in the embossed Prevost logo that's on the back side of the coach. And then another really cool thing, we're gonna get this coach outside after it's been washed, but that Marathon logo on the rear with that detail, that pinstriping, that's really neat. And of course, as you guys know, this is the coach that has that snake skin, that, I don't know if it's a Viper or what have you, but it's got that snake skin on the side. It's the first time we've ever done that. That's 1329. Quad slide Jackson Hole floor plan. And for those of you who don't know, the Jackson Hole floor plan is also the super bath in the rear. We will be doing a finale episode of this coach, as it has about 3 weeks left in production, where quality control is the last thing that happens on the production schedule. I'll give you a teaser. You ready for this? Take a look at that entryway steps. Look at the bling that is on those steps. Isn't that something? Wait till you see it without the the protection, the covers that are protecting it right now, and the lighting on it, something else. Since we're pre-recorded and we don't have Wi-Fi issues, let's see what's out here. Saw something out here. Here's a coach getting washed in the wash rack. But that's not the exciting reason we came outside. Coach 1339, custom quad slide, and 1340. That is an H3 double slide designer choice that will be for sale. 2 shells. These coaches are all the way delivering in next year. So we are moving, and I love to see it. Nothing like seeing new marathons flying around. All right, let's go back inside. Armand got a really good shot of some coaches that are on the north end of the building that are for sale. That's it, you guys. If you're looking to get into a coach, reach out to me, MALW, at marathoncoach.com, and let me know what you're looking to do. Are you looking to upgrade? Are you looking for your first marathon? Are you looking for your 5th marathon? This is a great time to be purchasing a coach, and a good time to not fly. You can control, like we've talked about. You can control your environment. You can control your safety in a coach. And we don't have to go into the safety of a Prevost chassis because it's second to none. If you're going to be in an RV, you want to be in a bus conversion. Nothing better than the Prevost chassis for that. All right, now we're on the west side of the production floor, 1338, also a designer choice, H3 double slide. 1338, that is going through what we call paint prep or shell prep. It's going to be here for about a week, and then it'll go down and do another, some more prep before it goes into the paint booth. Here we got 1330. Look at these colors. Isn't that pretty? X3 double slide. For those of you who like the X3, with all that stainless on the sides, Marathon has the X3, the updated X3, more ceiling height, the updated front end. Also, Grand Cayman floor plan. H3 quad slide again, 1332. If you're looking to get a quad slide before the end of the year, Marathon's going to have them for you. Right now, those 2 quads are for sale. So if you're sitting around Labor Day and you're thinking you want to upgrade, if you're thinking you want to look into get into a quad slide, super bath, great big floor plan from Marathon, email me, I'll call you, and we can talk about it. MALW at marathoncoach.com. Okay, Armand and I are going to head on over here, and I'm going to give you a peek down this hallway, parts department, and those silver doors at the end of that hallway. For those of you who have not been to the world headquarters at Marathon, that is the service department down there. Don't forget, service departments are in Florida, Texas, and here at the mothership in Coburg, Oregon. So if you are, like I mention every week, if you are needing your coach to get serviced, you can go to any of the Marathon locations. But parts department, shipping and receiving, and of course, through those doors down there, that is your service department. Hope everyone has a good Labor Day. I will be spending it with my family. And then a peek down to the other side of the building. All the way through there is the cabinet shop. You've got the cabinet shop, you've got the glass shop. That's where the hard surfaces is down there. Our CNC machine, really the heart and soul of your coach is built in this portion of the building, and then the assembly of those parts happens down here where we just walked the floor. And then on the other side of that, of all of what you just saw, is the paint department. Yeah, so it's all done right here in this building in Coburg. Other than that, that's about it. A little quick tour, or a, like I mentioned, a State of the Union of what's happening at Marathon right before Labor Day. It's Thursday, Labor Day is Monday, and we are continuing to be safe. I hope you are continuing to be safe and having a good holiday weekend with your families. Take care of yourself, be yourself, and do good things. Thank you so much for supporting the Marathon Monday show, and we'll see you next Monday. Take care.